Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you delicious, healthy recipe of milkshake. If you like our videos, please don't forget at the end to click the like button, and also you can subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. Let's see what we need to make the milkshake. So first we are gonna need 1.5 glass of milk. I'm using normal milk, fresh milk. If you prefer to use different types of milk, that's totally fine. Then we are gonna have two bananas. Then I'm having this tiny ices. Then if you want, you can also use 1 spoon of sugar. We try not to use sugar, so instead of that, I'm gonna use 1 sweetener. Then we are gonna use half a teaspoon of vanilla. So let's start with pouring our milk. So we pour the milk. We are gonna add here our bananas. Adding the second one. If you want to use different types of fruits, that's also fine. I'm adding 1 sweetener. Guys, again, if you want to use sugar, you can use 1 big spoon of sugar. I'm using sweetener. Then I'm adding our vanilla, and then we're gonna use our blender. If you want to have the foam on top of your milkshake, you can make the foam like this. So guys, you can take your glass and you can pour the foam like this. I'm using the wine glass because I like it this way. Again, it's up to you what type of glass you want to use. Now it's time to add for our ice. Okay. Now we are using our blender again. So guys, when you are mixing with blender, make sure to crush the ice. Guys, bon appetit. Guys, so delicious. I am advising you to try it out. If you like our video, don't forget to click the like button. If you want, you can also subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.